Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your credit card with the Sam's Club app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your credit card with the Sam's Club app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Sam's Club app. Next, go ahead and click on the bottom right hand corner where it says account. Then on this page here, scroll down to where it says payment methods underneath wallet. Click on payment methods. Now on this page here, scroll down and then click on add new payment method. And then this is where you can enter your card number and then click on save card. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your credit card with the Sam's Club app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.